Hello, this is Guido Tesio from Ganko. I would say our approach doesn't necessarily change that much when the scale of projects changes. I would say for us abstraction is ultimately a device to combine something which for us is extremely important, so to make sure architecture retain a certain formal readability and strength while simultaneously allowing for maximum freedom of appropriation. So we very much believe that abstraction is ultimately a tool providing a richer, denser, and somehow complex experience. Our architecture explore the possible relation between interior and exterior, often working on their disconnection and partial, I would say, detachment. Somehow, I would say, questioning the cliché of a modernist understanding of architecture as something very transparent, where what you see is somehow what you get. So we are, of course, very much interested in sound relationship between inside and outside, but we're also interested in the autonomy which both exterior and inside can retain from each other. Since starting our practice, both me and my partner has been involved in teaching and research. I think this has been extremely fruitful for our work, still is very much an endless source of inspiration. I think it is in a way always very interesting to be exposed to younger generation in order to also update your own self and keep in touch with ever-changing urgencies. At the moment, the office is extremely busy with few public projects, particularly one in Brescia for a civic center, auditorium and media library. We have been extremely busy for many years with public competition because we believe very much that a contribution from younger generation is very much needed in Italy, particularly in that field, and we are extremely happy now to finally have a chance to give that contribution. Talking about younger generation, I would say that a possible advice could be to not immediately focus too much on a specific market niche. We see the current market tendency is to, in a way, reward being a specialist of sort in that or that field, from retail to culture to public to contract to housing. We've always tried to be, in a way, busy with a little bit of everything, and I think that is not always very easy, but I think that's, in a way, very important because we feel it somehow allows you to also learn from these different fields and, in a way, move and learn from this different experience and transfer the knowledge acquired into the others.